Assalamu alaikum folks, how are you all doing? And this is your host Ayaz Haider from the YouTube channel Mr. Cryptoearn. Today's video will be targeted around creating your own applications. So application development will be the main keyword which we'll be focusing on. Specifically, we will use app inventors, which are basically no code app developers. Okay, so I might bring a series of application development using these no code developers or inventors, so which will be targeted mainly around the crypto content which is mostly published on this channel. So maybe there will be other videos, but I will try to bring some source code for various crypto related applications for you. Specifically, creating your own faucet application, crypto faucet application, will be focusing on that also if I get good response on it. Okay, so let's go to our first editor or app inventor, which is the Kodular. Its domain is kodular.io, and it's a modern app creator which don't require any coding. This was one of the first app inventors which I ever tested, and it's one of the best, I would say. I would say that it's the best one. That's why I'm putting it on number one. But it has some of its, you can say, defects. You'll need to get your application approved in order to show ads. So in modules, you can see the creator. This allows you to create applications. Extension ID, it enables you to define your own blocks into the editor. And this is the store which you can buy products from. It includes basically the store is more like you can get add-ons for your account. You can build higher quality applications, high size applications using add-ons from the store, and there are many other add-ons also there. I haven't seen this, but I'm sure that there'll be some quite interesting. Then there is Kodular Phoenix, which is the latest version of Kodular. These are the modules, and you can see some of their products being listed over here. And that's about it. You should give it a shot because it is very good. And the next one is MIT App Inventor. This is one of the best open source app inventors out there. So if you don't know, this is basically a project of Massachusetts Institution of Technology. They have made it open source. You can download it to your computer. You can even code offline using it. The other app inventors, they require you to be online on their website, but this doesn't. Even right now I have a program which allows me to create this offline setup thing. Okay, so this is the AI2 offline. It is App Inventor version 2 offline. It allows me to build applications offline. I might also bring a video of how you can set this up on your own. Okay, so other details of these are also listed over here. You can see that. I will link all of these websites in the description below so you can check it out. That brings us to our third editor, and it's the Apps Geyser. Apps Geyser, I haven't used it, I haven't tested it, so I can't be so sure how much it's actually worth. But you can see that you can create an application in 5 minutes. I think they have predefined game maker modules, so you can use them to create your games. It just requires a bit of tweaking, and then you will be able to create your own game. I think this is the one, yes, and this is the app maker, and you can create without any coding or without any fees. It is an absolutely free application created, and you'll need no coding knowledge for it. There are 30 plus application templates which you can use to build your Android application within 2 minutes. And you can also publish it on Play Store. I think AppGeyser also publishes your applications for you on the Play Store, but that is a separate story. You'll have to apply for publication to the Play Store, but they do it. I think they do it. AppGeyser, or there is another app inventor which allows you to do it. Okay, so this is the biggest app market with over 1 billion users, and it also has on the Google Play Store, right? So you can read their other documentations. So you can see that you can create an application in 5 minutes. I think this is the best app market with over 1 billion users, and it also has on the Google Play Store, right? So you can read their other documentations. So you can see that you can create an application in 5 minutes. I think this is the best app market with over 1 billion users, and it also has on the Google Play Store, right? So you can read their other documentations. All the links will be in the description below. Some of the templates which you can use to create your own application are a website. Basically, this is acts like a landing page, or I think it's known as a web view application, a messenger application which you can use like WhatsApp, Telegram, etc. You can do like that. A browser application, that's the same to website, but the browser application allows you to input custom URL and view it. Then a media player, it allows you to play audio or videos. Then photo editor, including some other photo keyboard, you can use it. You can make a web app, you can create a blog application. This all depends on you, but I think they do have other also templates. That brings us to our fourth code no code app inventor, which is the Appify. They have recently introduced the technology of AI, and now you can code applications with AI revolution. So this is, they say, join the no code AI revolution. Discover the power of no code AI with Appify. And Appify has a flexible no code AI platform, but I think it's a bit paid. I don't know about it because I haven't used it, but I'm sure that it will have some of its features locked inside pricing plans. If we go to products, there is a no code development platform which is AI app maker, AI Android app maker, AI iPhone app maker. So you can use this platform to create applications for iPhone as well as Android. The other app inventors, they are only designed for Android applications, but this one, it can also process uh, iPhone applications. So then there is no code business products automation platform. So you can build your own chatbot like ChatGPT, live chat software, help desk software, this all stuff. And then there is the AI page of this. It will also be linked in the description below, but there are the features of the AI app builder. Okay, so you can also read it in the description below. It brings us to our last app builder or app inventor, which is Thunkable. I used it. I think it was my favorite app inventor back in the days, but I haven't used it since, and I have not heard a bit good of it. I haven't been seeing it exploding as much as it did before, or being on the main pages. It's not, I don't think it's much of a hype anymore. And but I do know that it's also a no code platform, and it also creates good applications. I think they introduced pricing plans. That's why people started to go away from it and lean towards Kodular. But Kodular also is now introducing their pricing plans. So this was all for today. If you enjoyed this video, then consider subscribing to channel and also liking this video. I'll see you guys inshallah in my next video. Till then, it's Allah.